If you're lazy like me or strive to be more productive every single day with every task that you do, then why are you still building your funnels by hand? I mean, it seems completely absurd to be using countless hours of your valuable, precious time where InvolveMe's AI agent can just do it all for you. Besides, it's likely to do a better job anyway. Now, if you'd like to follow along, you can go ahead and pause this video, tap on the link in the description down below to get started with InvolveMe for free. That's right, it's absolutely free. I've also included a sample prompt in the description down below for you to fill in the blanks, customize, and, well, build a great funnel. Alright, without any further ado, let me show you how easy it is. Alright, so if you have tapped on the link in the description below, you will find yourself right over here. And there's two ways to using this new feature. The first thing is holding your cursor over the new tab right over here on this menu at the top and clicking on Create Funnels by chatting with our AI agent. Or you can simply click on Create New Funnel and you can go and look for the Start from Scratch. Now, from this page, you will be able to choose a funnel name, and then between a thank you page, an answer-based outcome, or a score-based outcome. We are going to use the answer-based outcome, and we are going to click on Start Editing. Now, of course, you can drag and drop elements here to build your funnel manually, but we know at this point that this will be extremely time-consuming and just not as good as what InvolveMe's AI can do. So let's go over to the top left-hand side. You'll see a small icon that says Create with AI, and this will give you a rundown of what it is capable of doing. Right at the bottom, you will have the option to click the text box, and we are going to paste a prompt that we have previously written. What you can do now is click on the arrow. It will now get to work on creating the outline or the basis of your funnel. It will also give you some feedback on your funnel. It'll give you some advice as to how you can make some minor changes to improve the funnel. And then once you are happy with everything, you will literally be able to talk to this AI like you would another person. As you can see, it is busy working through the stages. It says, let's begin by structuring the funnel pages and adding the needed questions or the components. So it is now on the right hand side, you'll see it is working on the funnel. And if there are any issues with your prompt, you will be able to see it over here. So if you read through this, it will give you some guidance. If you'd like to add anything additional over here, you can still do so in the chat. But once you are essentially done, right, you will be able to see on the right hand side how it's actually working. So as it's creating on the left, you will see the finished product or the polished product on the right hand side. All right, you can see now that it has completed its processes, and additional to that, it is actually gone and given you some suggestions, and it's given you some further options. So if you'd like to customize the appearance, you can also update the brand colors, the logos, designs. You can also set the answer or the logic mapping for outcomes so that leads are actually filtered according to your qualification criteria. If you need that set up, it'll do that for you too. You can also replace the placeholder links, and you can see over here that there's a bunch more, right? So whatever it is that you need done, let's say, for example, please use blue and purple to style the funnel. You can go ahead and add that in with all your details, and it will be done. So once we are complete with that, you can go up to the top. You will see that there's an edit, configure, connect, share and embed, and responses tab. Now in the edit tab, obviously, you can click on any element and you can customize this further if you're not happy about small bits and pieces of it. But for now, I'm very happy with how the AI bot has actually completed this for me. You can now go into configure, and you'll be able to configure your new funnel. So the domain, the URL, default language, response data, retention period, and a bunch more, as you can see on the left-hand side, that you can customize. You can also click on the connect button, and here you can connect some of your apps that you may already be using to your funnel. You can then also share and embed this funnel. So once you click on this tab over here, You'll be able to either share it in different social media platforms as well as embed it into your website. This will require you to publish your funnel first. And then here you can manage your responses. So you get detailed metrics, responses, personal data, AI insights as well, which is fantastic. And then you can also export your responses to your device so that you can manage it maybe somewhere else. Easy to understand, simple to execute, and honestly, it's kind of fun being this productive at such a high level of quality. Now, as I mentioned previously, you can go ahead and use the link in the description down below to get started with Involve Me for free. There's also that template that you can go and get started with. And if you have any pain points, you can leave it in the comments section down below. Until next time, take care.